Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of binary options trading and discussing one of the most frequently asked questions: when is the best time to trade binary options? As a trader, timing is crucial, and knowing the optimal time to execute your trades can greatly impact your success in this fast-paced financial market. In this video, we'll explore various factors that can influence the ideal time to trade binary options, including market volatility, economic events, and trading sessions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, understanding the best time to trade binary options can be the key to maximizing your profits and minimizing your risks. So, let's jump in and discover the optimal timing for successful binary options trading. Binary options trading is a popular form of investment where traders can earn profits by predicting the price movement of underlying assets. However, like any investment, binary options trading requires careful planning and strategy. One important aspect of trading binary options is determining the best time to trade. In this blog post, we will explore the different factors that impact the best time to trade binary options. Understanding binary options. Binary options are financial instruments that offer traders a fixed return on their investment if they correctly predict the price movement of an underlying asset. The asset could be a stock, currency, commodity, or index. Traders need to predict whether the price of the asset will go up or down within a specified time frame. The time frame for a binary option can range from as short as 30 seconds to as long as several months. The payout for a successful trade is predetermined, usually ranging from 70% to 90% of the initial investment. Factors that impact the best time to trade binary options. Several factors impact the best time to trade binary options. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. 1. Market hours. The market hours for binary options trading depend on the underlying asset. For example, the Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. In contrast, the stock market is only open during specific hours of the day. Traders need to know the market hours for the asset they wish to trade to determine the best time to enter a trade. It is best to trade when the market is most active and has the highest trading volume. This is because higher trading volume leads to increased price volatility, which can provide more trading opportunities. 1. Economic calendar. The economic calendar is a tool that traders use to track important economic events that can impact the financial markets. Events such as interest rate decisions, GDP releases, and employment reports can have a significant impact on the price of underlying assets. Traders need to keep an eye on the economic calendar to determine the best time to trade binary options. For example, if the Federal Reserve is scheduled to release an interest rate decision, traders may want to wait until after the announcement to enter a trade. 1. Time zone. The time zone in which a trader is located can impact the best time to trade binary options. For example, if a trader is located in Asia and wishes to trade the US dollar to Japanese yen currency pair, they may want to trade during the Asian trading session when the market is most active. Traders need to consider their time zone when determining the best time to trade. They should also take into account the time zone of the asset they wish to trade. 1. Trading strategy. A trader's trading strategy can impact the best time to trade binary options. For example, a trader who uses technical analysis to make trading decisions may want to trade during times of high volatility when price movements are more pronounced. On the other hand, a trader who uses fundamental analysis may want to avoid trading during times of high volatility and wait for important economic events to occur before entering a trade. 1. Risk appetite. A trader's risk appetite can also impact the best time to trade binary options. Traders who are risk-averse may want to avoid trading during times of high volatility and wait for more stable market conditions. In contrast, traders who are more risk-tolerant may want to trade during times of high volatility when there are more trading opportunities. Best times to trade binary options. Based on the factors discussed above, here are some of the best times to trade binary options for different assets. 1. Forex. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. However, the best times to trade Forex are during the overlapping hours of the major trading sessions. The major trading sessions are the London session, the New York session, and the Tokyo session. The overlapping hours occur when two sessions are open at the same time. For example, the overlap between the London and New York sessions is considered to be the best time to trade Forex. During these hours, the trading volume is the highest, and price movements are more pronounced, providing more trading opportunities. Traders should also keep an eye on the economic calendar to avoid trading during important economic events. 1. Stocks. The stock market is only open during specific hours of the day, usually from 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The best time to trade stocks is during the first and last hour of trading when there is the most volatility. During the first hour of trading, there is usually a lot of activity as traders react to overnight news and events. During the last hour of trading, traders may adjust their positions based on the day's price movements, providing more trading opportunities. Traders should also keep an eye on earnings reports and other important news related to the stocks they wish to trade. 1. Commodities. The best time to trade commodities depends on the specific commodity. For example, the best time to trade crude oil is during the New York trading session, as this is when the market is most active. On the other hand, the best time to trade gold is during the Asian trading session, as this is when the market is most active in Asia. Traders should also keep an eye on the economic calendar for important events that can impact commodity prices. 1. Indices. The best time to trade indices depends on the specific index. For example, the best time to trade the S&P 500 is during the first and last hour of trading when there is the most volatility. During the first hour of trading, there is usually a lot of activity as traders react to overnight news and events. During the last hour of trading, traders may adjust their positions based on the day's price movements, providing more trading opportunities. Traders should also keep an eye on economic indicators and other important news related to the indices they wish to trade. After careful analysis and research, we've come to the conclusion that the best time to trade binary options is during the overlapping trading sessions of major financial markets. This is typically when there is higher market activity, increased trading volume, and greater price movement, which can provide more opportunities for profitable trades. For example, the overlapping trading sessions of the New York and London markets, which occur from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. EST, are often considered prime trading times for binary options. During this time, there are usually more traders participating in the market, leading to increased liquidity and volatility, which can result in higher profit potential. However, it's important to note that trading binary options involves risks, and it's essential to have a solid understanding of market dynamics, technical analysis, and risk management before diving into trading. It's also crucial to choose a reputable binary options broker and to develop a well-thought-out trading plan. If you find this information helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable trading tips and strategies. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thank you for your support.